Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm Jack.
And I'm Amelia. Hi, friends. How are you today?
We're so happy you're here. Today, we have something really useful for you.
That's right. Today, we're learning how to talk about plans, future plans.
This is super important. Every day, we make plans. We talk about tomorrow, next week, next month.
Exactly. Like, I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow, or I will study English tonight.
Perfect examples, Amelia. And by the end of this podcast, you'll be able to do that too.
Yes, you'll learn simple, natural ways to talk about your plans in English.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, please hit that like button.
And subscribe. It really helps us make more lessons for you. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Let's go.
So, Amelia, how do we talk about plans in English?
Great question, Jack. The easiest way is using going to.
Going to. Let's break that down. Can you give us an example?
Sure. Listen carefully. I'm going to cook dinner tonight.
Nice. Let me say it slowly. I'm going to cook dinner tonight.
Perfect. Now, let's hear it one more time at normal speed. I'm going to cook dinner tonight.
Excellent. So, going to helps us talk about future plans, plans we already decided.
Exactly. It's a plan in your mind. You already decided to do it.
Let me give another example. I'm going to call my mom tomorrow.
Great. And notice the pattern. I'm going to plus action word.
The action word is the verb, like cook, call, study.
Right. Let's practice a few more. Listen and repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
I'm going to study English.
Your turn, listeners. Say it with me. I'm going to study English.
Good job. Next one. I'm going to watch a movie.
Repeat. I'm going to watch a movie.
Excellent. One more. I'm going to sleep early tonight.
Again. I'm going to sleep early tonight.
You're doing great.
Okay, so we learned I'm going to. But what about other people?
Good point. What if we talk about you or he or she?
Let's learn that now. It's really simple.
First, let's do you. Listen, you're going to love this restaurant.
You're going to love this restaurant. Notice, your is short for you are.
Exactly. So it's you are going to or you're going to.
Let's practice. Repeat after Amelia. You're going to have fun.
You're going to have fun.
Great. Now what about he or she?
For he and she, we say he's going to or she's going to.
Listen to this example. He's going to play soccer tomorrow.
And here's one with she. She's going to visit her family.
Let's practice both. Repeat, he's going to play soccer.
He's going to play soccer.
Good. Now, she's going to visit her family.
She's going to visit her family.
Excellent work. Now what about we and they?
For we, it's we're going to. Listen, we're going to have a party.
We're going to have a party. That sounds fun.
And for they, it's they're going to. Example, they're going to arrive at 6 o'clock.
Let's practice these two. Repeat, we're going to have a party.
We're going to have a party.
And now, they're going to arrive at 6 o'clock.
They're going to arrive at 6 o'clock.
You're improving already. Can you feel it? Okay, we learned how to say what we're going to do. But what if we're not going to do something?
Great question. For negative, we add not after am, is, or are.
So it becomes, I'm not going to.
Exactly. Listen to this. I'm not going to work tomorrow.
I'm not going to work tomorrow. Maybe it's your day off.
Yes. Let me say it slowly. I'm not going to work tomorrow.
Perfect. Let's practice. Repeat, I'm not going to work tomorrow.
I'm not going to work tomorrow.
Good job. Now let's try with he and she.
For he, we say, he's not going to, or he isn't going to.
Both are correct. Listen, he's not going to buy a new car.
And with she, we say, she's not going to come to the party.
Let's practice. Say, he's not going to buy a new car.
He's not going to buy a new car.
And now, she's not going to come to the party.
She's not going to come to the party.
Wonderful. What about we and they?
For we say, we're not going to. Example, we're not going to stay long.
And for they, they're not going to. Example, they're not going to finish today.
Let's practice both. Repeat, we're not going to stay long.
We're not going to stay long.
And they're not going to finish today.
They're not going to finish today.
That's great. You're really getting this.
So far, we learned how to say what we're going to do and what we're not going to do.
Now, let's learn how to ask questions about plans.
Questions are so important. We ask them all the time.
Right. To make a question, we change the word order. We put am, is, or are at the beginning.
Let me show you. Statement, you are going to travel. Question, are you going to travel?
See, we moved are to the front. Let's practice. Listen, are you going to travel?
Repeat, are you going to travel?
Are you going to travel?
Perfect. Let's try more examples. How about he?
Statement, he is going to study. Question, is he going to study?
Great. Repeat, is he going to study?
Is he going to study?
Excellent. Now with she.
Is she going to call you? Repeat, is she going to call you?
Is she going to call you?
Good job. What about we?
Are we going to eat soon? Say it. Are we going to eat soon?
Are we going to eat soon?
Nice. And they?
Are they going to join us? Repeat, are they going to join us?
Are they going to join us?
You're doing so well.
Now, how do we answer these questions?
Good point. For yes, we say, yes, I am, or yes, he is, or yes, they are.
And for no, we say, no, I'm not, or no, he isn't, or no, they aren't.
Let's practice a quick conversation. Jack, are you going to study tonight?
Yes, I am. I'm going to study English. Amelia, are you going to cook dinner?
No, I'm not. I'm going to order food. See how natural that is?
That's perfect. You're learning real conversations.
Okay, we learned going to really well, but there's another way to talk about the future.
Yes, we can also use will.
Will is very common, and it's even simpler than going to.
That's right. With will, we don't change anything for different people. It's always the same.
Let me show you. I will call you. You will call me. He will call her. See? Always will.
Exactly. Let's practice. Listen, I will help you.
I will help you. Now repeat. I will help you.
I will help you.
Great. Now try, she will come tomorrow.
She will come tomorrow.
Perfect. One more. We will see you later.
We will see you later.
Excellent. Now, in speaking, we often make will shorter. We say I'll instead of I will.
Yes, like this. I'll help you. It's the same meaning, just faster.
Let's practice the short form. Say, I'll help you.
I'll help you.
She'll come tomorrow.
She'll come tomorrow.
We'll see you later.
We'll see you later.
Wonderful. Now, what's the difference between will and going to?
Good question. Going to is for plans you already decided. Will is for quick decisions or promises.
Let me explain with examples. Going to. I'm going to visit Paris next year. You already planned it.
And will, oh, the phone is ringing. I'll answer it. You just decided in this moment.
Exactly. Will is for spontaneous decisions. You decide right now.
Here's another. I'll help you with your homework. You're offering help in this moment.
But I'm going to study at the library today. You already made this plan before.
Now you understand the difference. That's great.
Let's learn negative with will. It's super easy.
For negative, we say will not, or the short form won't.
Won't is more common in speaking. Listen, I won't be late.
I won't be late. Let me say it slowly. I won't be late.
Now repeat. I won't be late.
I won't be late.
Good. Try this one. She won't forget.
She won't forget.
Perfect. One more. They won't know.
They won't know.
Excellent. Now let's do questions with will.
For questions, we put will at the beginning. Statement, you will help me. Question, will you help me?
See, we just moved will to the front. Let's practice. Say, will you help me?
Will you help me?
Good. Try, will she come to the meeting?
Will she come to the meeting?
Nice. One more. Will they arrive on time?
Will they arrive on time?
You're doing amazing. Now let's answer these questions.
For yes, we say, yes, I will. For no, we say, no, I won't.
Let's practice a conversation. Amelia, will you teach tomorrow?
Yes, I will. I'll teach at 9 a.m. Jack, will you join the class?
Yes, I will. I'll be there. See? Natural conversation.
You're getting so good at this.
When we talk about plans, we often say when we'll do something.
Exactly. We use time words like tomorrow, next week, tonight.
Let's learn the most common time words. First, tomorrow. That's the day after today.
Example, I'm going to see the doctor tomorrow.
Repeat, I'm going to see the doctor tomorrow.
I'm going to see the doctor tomorrow.
Great. Next time word, tonight. That's this evening.
Example, we're going to watch a movie tonight.
Say it. We're going to watch a movie tonight.
We're going to watch a movie tonight.
Perfect. Now, next week. That's the week after this week.
Example, she's going to start a new job next week.
Repeat, she's going to start a new job next week.
She's going to start a new job next week.
Excellent. We can also say next month, next year.
Yes, next month I'm going to visit my family.
Next year, we're going to buy a house.
Another useful time word is later. That means sometime after now, but not specific.
Example, I'll call you later. You don't say exactly when, just sometime after now.
Let's practice with time words. I'll say a sentence, you repeat. Ready?
Ready.
I'm going to exercise tomorrow morning.
I'm going to exercise tomorrow morning.
He's going to finish his homework tonight.
He's going to finish his homework tonight.
They're going to travel next month.
They're going to travel next month.
We'll meet later this afternoon.
We'll meet later this afternoon.
You're doing fantastic.
One more tip. You can put the time word at the beginning or the end. Both are correct.
Right. Tomorrow I'm going to study, or I'm going to study tomorrow. Both are perfect.
Choose what sounds natural to you.
Now let's put everything together. We're going to practice real conversations.
This is so important. Let's do some dialogue practice.
I'll be person A, Amelia will be person B. Listen carefully, then we'll practice together.
Ready? Let's start.
Hi, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandmother. How about you?
I'm going to relax at home. Maybe I'll watch some movies.
That sounds nice. Are you going to cook anything special?
No, I'm not going to cook. I'll probably order pizza.
Okay, great conversation. Did you hear the natural flow?
Now let's break it down. First question, what are you going to do this weekend?
This is a super common question. Repeat. What are you going to do this weekend?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Perfect. Now the answer. I'm going to visit my grandmother.
Say it. I'm going to visit my grandmother.
I'm going to visit my grandmother.
Great. Now ask the question back. How about you?
How about you? This means, what about you? What are your plans?
It's a friendly way to continue the conversation. Say it. How about you?
How about you?
Excellent. Let's try another conversation, this time about daily plans.
Okay. Jack, are you going to work late tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm going to leave at 5 o'clock. Will you stay late?
Yes, I will. I need to finish a project, but I'll go home before 7.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow then.
See? Another natural conversation. Let's practice these sentences.
Are you going to work late tonight?
Are you going to work late tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm going to leave at 5 o'clock.
No, I'm not. I'm going to leave at 5 o'clock.
Will you stay late?
Will you stay late?
Yes, I will. I need to finish a project.
Yes, I will. I need to finish a project.
You are doing wonderful.
Wow, we learned so much today. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea. So we learned two main ways to talk about the future, going to and will.
Going to is for plans you already decided. Example, I'm going to study tomorrow.
Will is for quick decisions and promises. Example, I'll help you with that.
We learned positive, I'm going to call her. Negative, I'm not going to call her.
And questions. Are you going to call her? Answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
The same patterns work with will. I will go, I won't go, will you go?
We also learned important time words, tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, later.
And we practiced real conversations. That's the most important part.
Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. Every time you practice, you improve. You're already improving today.
We're so proud of you for learning with us.
That's all for today's lesson. You did an amazing job.
You learned how to talk about future plans in English. That's so useful.
Now you can tell people, I'm going to study English every day.
Or, I will practice speaking with my friends.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Here's the question. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Think about your plans for tomorrow, then write in the comments, tomorrow I'm going to...
For example, tomorrow I'm going to wake up at 7 a.m. and study English.
Or, tomorrow I'm going to have breakfast with my family.
We really want to know. Share your plans in the comments below.
And remember, if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button.
Subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss the next lesson.
Share this with your friends who are learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.